In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to feature specific courses on a Teachable page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Teachable admin to spotlight the courses, coaching, or bundles you want people to see first. Teachable's Featured Courses block, also called the Featured Products block, is designed to put your most important offerings front and center. It automatically pulls in the thumbnail, the title, and a link to the sales page for each item you choose, so visitors can quickly scan and click through. This block can be placed on any page you edit with Teachable's Page Builder, which gives you a lot of flexibility for different goals. If you want to feature items on your school's homepage, start in your Teachable admin and go to Site, then Pages. Find your homepage and click Edit. If you don't have a custom homepage yet, you can create one here. The homepage is a great spot for your flagship course, a bestseller, or a bundle you want every visitor to notice. This is where you can position featured courses high on the page for maximum visibility, or just below a hero section to reinforce your primary message. For campaign-specific or audience-specific showcases, stay under Site, then Pages, and create or select the custom page you want to use. Click Edit. A custom landing page is ideal when you're running promotions, partnering with affiliates, or speaking to a niche audience. Featuring only the most relevant products here helps keep the page focused and conversion-friendly. Keep the selection tight and the layout clean so visitors aren't overwhelmed. You can also highlight offerings directly on a sales or product page. Head to Course, choose the course name, then Pages. Click Edit on the page you want to customize. Featuring related products in this context is a simple way to cross-promote a bundle, a follow-up course, or coaching that complements what the visitor is already considering. Since the block links to sales pages automatically, make sure each featured product has a clear, up-to-date sales page that builds trust and answers common questions. As you place featured courses across your site, aim for consistency in thumbnails and titles for a polished look, and keep the most important products above the fold. Periodically review what's featured so it reflects your current priorities, seasonal offers, or new launches. That's all there is to it. Whether it's your homepage, a custom landing page, or a specific product page, you now know exactly where to edit so you can feature the right courses at the right time.